through the storm unshaken. Fear was the ghost in our lungs. We fell but the fire awakened, the power of what we'd become. We faced the mirror and trembled, then laughed at the pain that we saw. Our cracks became our story, our wounds became our law. The turning, we burned our past to see the light. We broke our chains in the dark of night. Every fall, every scream, every scar made us remember who we are. We're alright. We are the fire, we are the proof. Forged in the pain, we found the truth. From ashes and tears, from flesh and bone, we build a heart of stone. We are the dream, the fight, the spark. Born from the edge, reborn from the dark. No longer human. We are more than We let go the ghosts that chained us. We forgave what held us still. We learned that strength's not anger, it's love with unbroken will. We stood in the fire together. Each breath was a war we won. Now every heartbeat whispers, we've just begun. Rise for every tear, for every pain. Rise for every time we broke and came again. Rise, the old has died, the new begun. We are the light, we are the sun. We are the fire, we are the proof. Forged in the pain, we found the truth. From ashes and tears, from flesh and bone, we build a heart of stone. We are the dream, the fight, the spark. Born from the edge, reborn from the dark. No longer human. We are more than human.